We are very definite that once the state responds without any evidence, the judge will agree with us that there is no basis at all for one Sergeant Rashid to take plea. We shall also produce to the public, to the Kenyans, the type of evidence that IPOA has to have made that decision to charge our client. I have repeated several that Rashid to the civil society and to IPOA will determine whether the donors, the donor funders, will continue funding. That is the pressure that the donors, the civil society is pushing. And that is the reason as to why when they appeared before the court, they were chased. Because they are busybodies, if I may quote the Inspector General of Police, in this matter. Our client is a law-abiding citizen. The narrative that he will disappear, he'll never appear in court, has been put properly to perspective. That when I gave an undertaking that our client will appear, he has never killed anybody wrongly. He's very innocent. And we expect that by 8th, when we shall be in court, because they have no evidence against Rashid, the court will not proceed to Rashid taking the plea. This also brings the question on the role of the National Police Service, which is under attack by officers, by civil society, who are making the work of the police completely impossible and exposing citizens to the risks of thugs. Rashid's prosecution is actually defending and glorifying criminals at the expense of citizens of this country. And we shall be raising those issues on the 8th, because we've never been given the evidence they are relying on. Nobody in this country has evidence they are relying on. So we expect now that evidence, because the judge has agreed with us, we shall completely destroy that evidence and allow Corporal Sergeant Rashid to continue doing their job. The country is at a crossroad, because now we have taken the role, we have taken a position as a country to criminalize police work, to make it so hard for them to provide security for citizens, at the glorification of the civil society, who are receiving billions of money by how many police officers they have arrested. As I indicated, we raised very fundamental issues within that petition. One, the author of that video. Two, the video itself. Three, the camera that took that video. Four, the ballistic report of the bullets and the gun that was used to kill the two boys. Fifth, the identification parade that was done to bring into a conclusion that these boys were actually shot by one Rashid, Sergeant Rashid. Fifth, we raised the question of us being given the evidence through that petition. The state has never complied. They thought that plea will be taken before that has been resolved.